The Citroen Ami Buggy, a stylish and stripped-back version of the Ami Small EV, offers a more fun and adventurous take on urban mobility. While less practical and more expensive than its Ami or Ami Cargo siblings, the Ami Buggy stands out for its charm and execution, hitting a sweet spot that is likely to attract a significant customer base when more examples become available in the UK. This offbeat quadricycle, legally categorized as such in the UK, has gained popularity since its debut in 2020, with healthy sales and a limited series of the buggy selling out rapidly in both France and the UK. The Ami Buggy brings a sense of outdoor adventure and beach trips to the urban mobility segment, with its stylish and stripped-down design. Despite being legally classified as a quadricycle, it has garnered attention for its unique appeal, and the limited production runs have seen rapid sellouts, indicating strong demand for this unconventional yet charming vehicle.